Kublai pi baro teknik jingkli hangne kidai ka jingkli jong kane ka general knowledge shapang ka Meghalaya khamtam kabai dei bat ka East Khasi Hills nak benta kane ka Peon exam. Teknik kane jingkli banangkong ka ong when was the East Khasi Hills district officially administrative district? Answer B 28 October 1976. 2. East Khasi Hills district was separate district. Answer C. Ribhoi district. 3. What is the total geographical area of East Khasi Hills district? Answer B. 2,748 square kilometers. For which village in East Khasi Hills is known as the Singing Village due to its unique visual language? Answer C. Kong Thong. 5. The unique visual language of Kong Thong village is called? Answer A. Jingroi Yaobei. 6. The popular Shatsukmensem festival celebrated by the Khasi community is observed in which month? Answer B. March or April. 7. The Nongkrem dance, a religious festival of the Khasis, is observed at Smith in which month? Answer D. October or November. 8. Ward's Lake, a popular tourist spot in Shillong, was built during 1893 to 94 by which British official? Answer A. Sir William Ward. 9. The East Khasi Hills district is bounded on the south by which country? Answer C. Bangladesh. 10. Which cave in Mawson Ram features two breast-shaped stones considered sacred by both tribals and non-tribals? Answer C. Mawjambun Cave. 11. According to the 2011 census, what is the approximate population of East Khasi Hills district? Answer C. 8,25,992. 12. The Northeastern Hill University, Nehu, was established in which year? Answer B. 1973. 13. What is the literacy rate of East Khasi Hills district? Answer C. 85.70%. 4. How many state legislative assembly constituencies from East Khasi Hills? Answer A. 17. 15. The Seven Sisters Falls is also known locally as? Answer A. Nok Ngithiang Falls. 16. Which of the following states became the first state in India to ensure the conservation of water? Answer B. Meghalaya. 17. Which state hosted the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games in 2022? Answer B. Meghalaya. 18. Meghalaya's only female Formula 4 race car driver will make a debut at the Indian National Rally Championship at Arunachal. Answer B. Phoebe Dale Nongrum. 19. Which among the following is a state flower of Meghalaya? Answer D. Paphiopedilum insigne. Kane kadai ka scientific name. Common name kadai kane ka ladies slipper orchid. 20. Which one is the correct chronological order of creation of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland? Answer A. Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram. 21. Garo Hills is warmer than Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills because it is located at? Answer B. Lower altitude. 22. Meghalaya shares an international boundary with? Answer B. Bangladesh. 23. The Balpakram National Park is located in? Answer D. South Garo Hills district. 24. Northeastern region of India comprises of? 8 number of states. 25. The total population of Meghalaya as per 2011 census is? Answer A. 29,66,889. 26. The state flower of Meghalaya is? Kane dai common name C. Lady Slipper. 27. One of the unique features of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo is that they follow a? Answer A. System of matrilineal society. 28. The Khasis originated from which of the following families? Answer B. Austro-Asiatic family. 29. Which country is to the south of Meghalaya? Answer A. Bangladesh. 30. Which of the following national park is known as the Land of Spirit? Answer A. Balpakram National Park. 31. The climate of Meghalaya varies with the answer D altitude. 32. The Nongklem Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district of Meghalaya? Answer A. East Khasi Hills District. 33. The percentage of the people of Meghalaya who depend on agriculture is approximately answer A. 80%. 34. The area of Umyam Lake is approximately answer B. 220 square kilometer. 35. Which historical act made it possible for Meghalaya to gain autonomy in 1970? Answer B. Assam Reorganization Meghalaya Act 1969. 36. Who is considered the political architect of Meghalaya statehood? Answer C. Captain Williamson A. Sangma. 37. Which district of Meghalaya has the highest literacy rate? Answer D. East Khasi Hills. 38. What is the scientific name of the state bird of Meghalaya? Hill myna. Answer B. Gracula religiosa. Kanai scientific name, kanai hill myna, kanai common name. 39. What is the name of the well-known Meghalayan limestone cave that is home to stalactites and stalagmites? Answer B. Siju Cave. 40. Which dam in Meghalaya is built on the Umtro River for hydropower? Answer B. Umyam Dam. 41. Meghalaya is part of which global biodiversity hotspot? Answer C. Indo-Burma. 42. Meghalaya is the largest producer of which spice in India? Answer C. Turmeric. 43. What's the most extensively cultivated crop in Meghalaya? Answer B. Rice. 44. What is the highest exported agricultural product of Meghalaya? Answer C. Lakadong turmeric. 45. What is the most famous traditional dance form performed during the major festivals of Meghalaya, especially in the Khasi community? Answer C. Shat Suk Mensem. 46. Explain the significance of the Wangala festival in the context of Meghalaya's agricultural practices. Answer D. It is a festival for answer B. It marks the beginning of the harvest season. 47. Which traditional music instrument is commonly associated with the Khasi tribe of Meghalaya? Answer B. Xing. 48. Which wildlife sanctuary in Meghalaya is recognized for its rich variety of orchid species? Answer C. Siju Wildlife Sanctuary. 49. Which district in Meghalaya is famous for its limestone caves? Answer C. Jainte Hills. 50. How many times has President's rule been imposed in Meghalaya since its statehood in 1972? Answer B. Twice. 51. In which year was President's rule first imposed in Meghalaya? Answer D. 1991. 52. Who was the first Khasi Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Answer D. Darwin Dingdorpak. 53. Darwin Dingdorpak became Chief Minister in which year? Answer B. 1978. 54. Which political party did Bibi Lengdo belong to when he became Chief Minister? Answer B. All Party Hills Leaders Conference. 55. Which political party has been in power for the longest duration in Meghalaya? Answer C. Indian National Congress. 56. Ranjit Shekhar Moshari, who served as governor of Meghalaya, belonged to which community? Answer C. Bodo. 57. Who was the first woman from Meghalaya to climb Mount Everest? Answer B. Wansuk Marthang. 58. Wansuk Marthang climbed Mount Everest in which year? Answer B. 2013. 59. How many women from Meghalaya have climbed Mount Everest as of 2025? Answer C. 3. 60. Who is the youngest person from Meghalaya to climb Mount Everest? Answer D. Rifinis Vajri. 61. Rifinis Vajri climbed Mount Everest at the age of? Answer B. 20. 62. Which portfolio is held by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma? Answer B. Finance. 63. How many cabinet ministers are there in Meghalaya government, including the chief minister? Answer B. 12. 64. Who is the deputy chief minister holding the home police portfolio? Answer B. Preston Song. 65. Who holds the education portfolio in the Meghalaya cabinet as of 2025? Answer B. Lakman Rumboy. 66. Who is the youngest cabinet minister in Meghalaya holding the health portfolio? Answer C. Wailat Miki Shala. Candidate current affairs. Medai Batmanta. Medai Bala Slem. Kadai Manta. 67. Who became the Indian subcontinent's first woman minister in 1939? Answer C. Mavis Dun Langdor. 68. Mavis Dun Langdor was the first Khasi woman to qualify in which profession? Answer C. Law. 69. Who was the first Khasi woman to be appointed as the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya? Answer C. Rebecca Vanessa Suchiang. 70. Who became the first woman Director General of Police of Meghalaya? Answer B. Ida Shisha Naurang. 71. Ida Shisha Naurang was appointed as the DGP of Meghalaya in which year? Answer C. 2024. 72. Who was the second woman from Meghalaya to climb Mount Everest? Answer C. Dolin Kharbhi. 73. Dolin Kharbhi scaled Mount Everest in which year? Answer C. 2016. 24. Dolin Kharbhi, the second woman from Meghalaya to summit Everest, hails from which district? Answer C. Ribhoi. 75. Which Meghalaya athlete won double gold in Nordic skiing at the Khelo India Winter Games 2026 in Gulmarg? Answer B. Kajal Kumari Rai. 76. How many medals did Meghalaya win at the 2026 National Canoe Slalom Championships held in Maheshwar, Madhya Pradesh? Answer C. 9 medals. 77. Which three paddlers from Meghalaya qualified for the Indian team for the upcoming Asian Games at the 2026 National Canoe Slalom Championships? Answer A. Man Bhalang Kharkrang, Elizabeth Vincent, Vikash Rana. 78. What was Meghalaya's overall position at the 2026 National Canoe Slalom Championships? Answer B. Overall state runner-up. 79. In February 2026, Meghalaya won the 40-plus football title at the 8th National Masters Games by defeating which state? Answer C. Kerala. 80. Where were the 8th National Masters Games 2026 held? Answer B. Pune, Maharashtra. 81. What is the capacity of the proposed football stadium at Mau New Shillong as announced by the Chief Minister in February 2026? Answer A. 40,000 spectators. 82. Which FIFA category standards will be the proposed Mau Stadium meet? Answer C. FIFA category 1. 83. Which new sports facility was inaugurated by the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma at Tura Government College in February 2026? Answer B. Novrex Skate Park. 84. Who won gold medals in kayak junior men and kayak cross junior men at the 2026 National Canoe Slalom Championships? Answer B. Man Bhalang Kharkrang. Thank you.